Good morning students. Today we shall learn how to conduct the frequency response of op-amp for inverting amplifier and non-inverting amplifier. So as per the circuit diagram given, the circuit is made as seen in the breadboard. The input to the circuit is given from the signal generator with sine waveform, and it is of voltage 1 volt peak to peak. The first waveform is the input waveform and the second waveform is the output waveform. As you can observe in the CRO screen, the first and second is reverse. I mean to say the second output waveform is inverted with respect to the input waveform. So now by varying the frequency from 500 to 1 kilohertz in steps of 100, the output voltage amplitude is noted down. So this is the variation of frequency, and as the frequency varies, the magnitude of the output voltage also varies. So this magnitude is to be noted down in the tabulation column. And once you note down the output voltage, the gain is calculated using the respective equations 20 log V0 by Vi, and then using the semi-log sheet, the graph of gain versus frequency is done. So welcome back students. Now we shall study the frequency response of non-inverting amplifier using op-amp. So as per the circuit diagram shown in the manual, the circuit setup for the non-inverting amplifier is done in the circuit board. The input to the circuit board is as usual given from the signal generator with frequency and with functional wave of sine wave, and this sine waveform which is given as input can be seen in the CRO. The first waveform is the input waveform and the output is the second waveform which is getting from the output of the op-amp. So as per this output and the input comparison, both are of same fashion. That means the output is not inverting, that means non-inverting. Now in the next step, you have to vary the frequency in the signal generator from 300 Hz so on up to in steps of 100 and 10 more steps, and for every frequency variation you have to note down the value of this output magnitude. You know how to calculate the value of this output magnitude. So in this fashion you calculate the output magnitude and tabulate in the tabular column. Once you find the gain, draw the graph of gain versus frequency.